Hi, this is video log number 51, and I am doing really good. I am sporting this wonderful shoulder here. I only have about 2 more weeks before I have 6 weeks in after surgery. That is my shallow well pump going off to feed my washing machine because I'm doing laundry today. You saw me coming out with a big basket of laundry. I ran out of the things that I only have certain amounts of, and up here I just go through them and then do laundry and go through, so I don't have a big supply of clothes, that's for sure. 7 days or 2 weeks on most of everything, but that's about it. And so I'm going to start the video with this. I don't know what else I know what else I'm going to show you. I already showed you a few things, but I'll find some more today. I think you're the culprit. One is missing. 2 is missing. There are 2 gopher things missing. Only one thing could have moved them, and that would have been a white ghost. So I guess today we're going to try to find out, where did she hide them. There's one. I am cold right now. I'm hoping that this is recording through the microphone that I plugged onto my windsock here versus my earbuds. Now I'm hearing it from my earbuds, and I'm hoping it's recording from this microphone. So it's cold today. I don't know what's going on with the sky up there. It got some big dark clouds way up that way, but they're really flying through here. It's really windy, and it's a very cold wind. It's really dry too. It's going from like northwest to east, and I hope this isn't going to be another one of those crazy turbulent weather systems that's going to go across and cause a lot of tornadoes across the country. But this is really unusual stuff for us, especially this time of year. But let's go on with what I came out here to do. I am not liking this wind. This is crazy. It was so windy, I decided to just narrate this. This is the whole whatever critters coming out of, and I set up my game camera right there, so maybe tomorrow we'll get a picture of whatever it is. It's so chilly and cold. I think I'm going to kind of cut another short one today, and I am going to keep doing video logs up until another week and 6 more days. So I'm going to walk around and do a montage of what's starting to get to blooming right now, what's coming alive for spring. And I want to look at it myself, and I'll take video of what I think is starting to come alive.